Wouldn't it be nice to see who's at your door, then be able to unlock it all from one app? Guess what? You can, and we're gonna show you how.
Your tech, it's powerful. You can even connect devices you never thought you could. Get ready to make your life easier. Let's hook it up.
Welcome to Hook It Up. I'm Chris, an Asurion expert, and I help people connect, protect, and enjoy their tech. If you want to get the most out of your tech, be sure to like and subscribe below. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Schlage Encode smart lock to your Ring doorbell. I'll take you through the setup process, point out how to use it in the app, and show you how Alexa can make it even better. Smart locks are great. You can control them from your phone, give temporary access codes to friends and family, and be alerted if your lock is being tampered with. One of the most advanced smart locks available is the Schlage Encode. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect it to other smart devices to simplify your life even more. If you have a different brand lock that also uses Wi-Fi, don't worry, the process should be nearly the same. If you haven't connected your lock to Key by Amazon yet, first download that app and follow the steps to set it up. Once that's complete, open the Ring app and tap the 3 lines in the top left corner. Then tap Set up a device. Go to Locks and Access Controllers, then tap Connect using Key by Amazon. Tap Connect, then allow Ring access to your Key by Amazon account. It should recognize your Schlage Encode lock. Tap Connect, then tap Connect again to link to your Ring doorbell. You're in. Now let's see what you can do. With everything connected, you can now control your lock and security camera from one app. To test it out, open the Ring app and go to a live view of your door. You should see a lock just below your video. Tap that and your door should unlock. You'll also receive a notification from your Key app that your door has been unlocked by Ring. Now, if an important package is being delivered or your sister's dropping something off, you can pull up your doorbell camera and unlock the door in seconds, no matter where you are. Adding your lock to your Ring app is cool, but so is integrating it into other parts of your smart home. Today I'm going to show you how to set it up with an Echo Show, but you can also connect it to your Google Nest Hub Max. Open the Amazon Alexa app, then tap More in the bottom right corner. Tap Skills and Games. In the search box, type Ring. Tap the Ring logo, then tap Enable. Sign into your Ring account, then tap Discover Devices. Your Ring products will connect to Alexa automatically. Now that we've added the Ring skill, let's go ahead and add the Amazon Key skill. Open the Amazon Alexa app, then tap More in the bottom right corner. Tap Skills and Games. In the search box, type Key. Tap the Key logo, then tap Enable. Sign into your Key account, then tap Discover Devices. Your lock will connect to Alexa automatically. Now that they're connected, here are a few things you can do. Alexa, show the front door.
Okay.
Alexa, is the front door locked?
Checking. Hang on. The front door is locked.
Alexa, unlock the front door.
What's your voice code for front door?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Unlocking. Hang on. The front door is unlocked.
Pretty cool, right? So to recap, we've walked you through connecting your Schlage Encode smart lock to your Ring doorbell, controlling your lock in the Ring app, and operating your doorbell and lock hands-free with Alexa. Thank you for watching this episode of Hook It Up. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe below, and be sure to check back in to find out what tech we're gonna hook up next.